Hello, this is Elaine Shauger. Come to sga.gov. This is our instructor in BJ. Go to our instruction page to get his email address to get instructions from him. A lesson. Come to sga.gov. We have Academy School over 300 online course. That means when you purchase something, you can watch it on your phone at the driving range. We do have the PGA pros ordering our books and DVDs because they do not know what down, under, and up is. Let's tell the world what it means. We do not do the rollover with the arms and hands. We hit the golf off the right side of the hip with left knee bent, right leg straight, back and forth with the heels up and down. We do not keep our feet flat on the ground. Read my testimonies, what seniors are saying about down, Shauger, up and down with the heels. I don't quirk the back and knees. I'm a senior and I get more power and accuracy with that down, under, and up that Dan teaches.